good morning. How are you? Sashna, Zain and Sarvesh? Have you all started doing your pattern writing? Are you enjoying doing it? Are you able to hold the pencil nicely? You're able to draw along the line? Or are you playing naughty things with your parents? I'm going to see your notebook. I want to see how beautifully you have done it. So will you do a neat work and show me? Okay. So the last time what did I make you write? What was a pattern that we did? We did sleeping line. Correct? I told you for standing line, this is how it is. Is it not? This is standing line. And this was your sleeping line. Correct? So now we are going to our new lesson that is called slanting line. Can you repeat with me? Slanting line. Say again, slanting line. Slanting line means, you see this line standing? Now if I am going to bend it a little bit like this is called slanting line. Can you see it? This is a slanting line. How is it standing? Bent, right? You call this slanting line. Where have you seen slanting lines and all? In the sliding board? How is your sliding board? Like this, right? And you sit on it and you come down. Whee! Is it not? So that is a slanting line. Okay, that line that you see like that formed is called as a slanting line. Shall we try and draw the slanting line? Are you ready? Okay, come, take a look. Now, this is a mountain. You know the mountain? You go up the mountain and you come down. Okay, mountain or a hill. You go up and then you come downhill. What is coming down the hill? A car? Okay, the car is coming down the hill. It's coming downhill. So how is it coming? Is it coming like this? No, it is not coming like this. It is coming slanting. Did you notice it? It is coming little slanting. Because if it came down straight, you will call it a nose dive. You want to do that? No, nobody goes by car like that. So you go in slanting line. Okay? So that is how the car is coming here. Now in your book, we are going to write slanting line. I'll show you how it is done. You see this dot? We are going to start there. Okay? And we are going to go all the way till here and stop. When you stop, you will have to say slanting line. We'll say slanting line. Shall we start? Okay, see how I am doing it. Start from here, go down. Slanting line. Go down. Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Okay, you would have seen this slanting line, like I said, you would have seen it in the slide board, is it not? When you are going on the slide board, you go up the ladder and then you come down the sliding board, is it not? Or let's say when you are going to fly a kite, okay, a kite, how is the line of the kite going? Slanting line. Have you noticed it? Yes. Now I want you to notice more keenly where all you have seen a slanting line. Maybe you'll see it somewhere in your house. You have to, mostly it will be standing line or sleeping line. Like for example, you see here, you can see a sleeping line here. You can see a standing line here. Where can you find a slanting line? I gave you two ideas. I told you can find it in a kite string or you can see it in the slide board. Can you find out and tell me where you have seen a slanting line? Okay. Until then you have to practice how to draw a slanting line. So please open your pre-writing skills book and go to page number 3. Here you'll have the same thing. What is there? This time it's not a car which is coming down. Somebody is skiing. This is a very awesome sport, you know. They do it on the snow hills. On these hills there will be lot of snow, icy snow, and they will wear all their gears and they will come down sliding. It's a nice sport and they come downwards. So you will also do that slanting line here and then say slanting line. Please say slanting line each time you draw the line. 2 lines we have given dotted line for you. In the third line, I want you to write it on your own. Maybe mummy can help you to show you a beginning spot. Like she can show this is the spot. She can make dots for you here. And from there you have to show me how you draw slanting line. How will you go? Like this. Now, so this mummy can make for you. Rest of it you have to try and do. Okay? Try it. If it is not coming, erase it and try one more time. It will definitely come. Okay, will you try slanting line? Very good. Now we'll go to our next book, which is our sensorial. In the sensorial, let's see 3 colors first. Okay, I'm going to give you the names of the colors. Some of you may be knowing, some may not be knowing. This is called the color tablets. Red. This is red. Yellow. Yellow. And this is blue. Red, yellow, blue. Today this much will do. Now see what I am going to do. I am looking for this color. Where is it? Red. Blue. Where is blue? Here? Blue. Yellow. Yellow. Okay. Red, blue, yellow. Now, can you tell me what all have you seen in red color? You seen an apple? Is it red color? Very good. Then how about chili? Red chili. Chilies are red color. Okay, you would have seen some capsicums also in red color. Okay, then where else have you seen red color? Strawberry. Yes, strawberries are also red color. Then anything else red color that you have come across? You may be having a red toy or anything like that, but somewhere where you always see it is in a red color. In the traffic lights, have you seen red color? What does that red color? See, there are 3 colors in the traffic light. When you see red color, what will happen? You will stop. Is it not? Your police will, the police who is standing there, the traffic police, he will ask you to stop. You cannot go when there is a red light blinking. You cannot go. So, red. Where else have you seen a red? Will you look around and see? Okay. Next is blue. Where have you seen a blue color? The sky? Okay. It may not be this blue. It may be a lighter blue, but there is blue color. That is blue color. Then in the ocean, you see blue color. Okay. Next, let's go to the next color, which is yellow. Where have you seen yellow color? Go to the kitchen and see, mummy will be having some masalas. You will find one masala will be in red color and one masala will be in yellow color. This is chili powder and the yellow color will be turmeric powder. Turmeric. Okay. Where else have you seen yellow color? Have you seen a yellow color bird? Your Tweety bird? The canary? That will be yellow color. Okay. So yellow. This is the yellow color. Today our activity is going to be about coloring in the sensorial book. Okay. So in the sensorial book, if you turn to page number 5, you will have these pictures of an apple, of a chilli, strawberry, and the rose and the traffic lights. Can you tell me what color are the apple, chilli, strawberry? They are all going to be red. So you are going to color the apple, strawberry, chilli and the rose in red color. For the traffic signal, you cannot color all 3 in red. Only one should be in red. This one. Okay? Will you color it red? I'll show you how it is done. There is a book where somebody has done it. One of your friend has done it. See, they have not colored the other 2. They have left it. Okay? Just color the stop signal red. Will you do the coloring of red? Okay. Use your magical fingers and do a wonderful job. You please take care to not let the color come out of the boundaries. The red color has to be inside the apple. It cannot come outside the apple. So will you take care to do small strokes? Yeah. Do little by little when you reach the corners. Okay. Make sure that it doesn't come out of the line. Mummy can otherwise help and give one outline. Give a thick outline or daddy just give a thick outline and tell them that they should not go beyond that boundary. At school we do that. We give them a boundary always for that they make sure that it doesn't go out and it will come out very well for them. Okay, will you do this? Okay, so this is your exercise for today. You should be doing the slanting line. Okay, and you will have to find out where all you will see slanting line, and then you will have to color the pictures in this in red color. Red. Okay children? Okay. See you again in another video. Until then, bye-bye.